Hello, everyone. Gary Dempsey here from Harcourt Hunter Mason here in South Redondo Beach. Today, I'm going to be bringing you the least expensive home for sale in the city of Rancho Palos Verdes. So stay tuned. Okay, everybody, I am going to be showing you the least expensive home in Rancho Palos Verdes, California. This home is located on the east side of Palos Verdes, kind of closer to San Pedro side. The listing address is 29205 South Troutwood Avenue in Rancho Palos Verdes. The list price is $799,000, which is a nice low list price for Rancho Palos Verdes. It's not a big place. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath, and it is 1,080 square feet. Price per square foot on this is $739 per square feet. And the lot size is a decent lot size at 5,894 square foot lot. It's a 1-level home with a 2-car detached garage. The home was built originally in 1950. Obviously, this is a single family home. It's been on the market for 6 days. Looks like a nice little place. Looks like a nice little starter home. Looks like they've upgraded and staged the home nicely. There are 27 photos here that I'm going to get through quickly. But as you can see, this is actually a really nice little home. So it's a small house, but, depending on the size of the lot or the configuration of the lot, in California, you're allowed to add an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit, and you can put those on the lot and increase the value and increase the square footage of your home. We have several people on our team, architects, designers, and builders that this is something that they do on a daily basis directly in this area. There currently are 46 homes for sale in Rancho Palos Verdes. And the next one up is $969,000, and then everything else goes up over $1 million. So you can see this is actually a pretty good price. I don't anticipate this lasting very long because people come here to Palos Verdes for the amazing schools and the great weather and the safety of the city. So there you have it, the cheapest home for sale in Rancho Palos Verdes.